to get.
Okay, yeah. This sign has taken, I think, probably 3 years just to get in our city's right-of-way, marking the village, I guess it is, of Sulphur Grove. And actually, a little anecdote, when we first became a city, one of the things that we considered was, because it was still printed on the state maps everywhere that were issued by the state, the town was Sulphur Grove. So when we incorporated, we considered using that town, Sulphur Grove, and the fact that it was designated still on maps all over the place, and that were being printed as being really what we might incorporate into, or at least, you know, that we were already a town, we could be absorbed larger and change the name and such. So it's befitting that the first historical dedication sign or identification sign should be Sulphur Grove. Yeah, here it is. Sulphur Grove is in town. Got water out my slave.
Do you need help?
No, that's fine.
It's historic water.
It's historic water.
Oh, exactly. That's exactly what we wanted.
Is that it?
That's it.
I think that looks pretty sharp.
Yeah.
That's good. So.
It's going good with the front and the close.
Yeah.
And
You like it in your lawn?
Because it was a quarter-inch skewed. So this is done, tried and true with the right angle. And
Wow.
Where was
Good
it
job.
made?
Yay!
It was made in our own street cover.
We had to buy a new machine to do it.
Yeah, well, we waited on the new machine to do it. So,
Okay.
we'll take pictures. Everybody else should come up here.
Well, why don't we have the board? Right. Carrie
Yeah.
and